Use 2.5-inch general-purpose wood screws and properly spaced pilot holes to securely fasten a replacement door jamb to framing. Start by selecting 2.5-inch general-purpose wood screws with a coarse thread for softwood studs or a fine thread for hardwood framing to maximize holding power. Before driving any screws, mark the jamb against the framing and use a clamp or a helper to hold the jamb tight and plumb while you check, reveal, and swing. Drill pilot holes sized to the screw root diameter and countersink slightly to avoid splitting the jamb and to allow the screw head to sit flush. Place screws at the top, middle, and bottom of the jamb on the hinge side and on the strike side, alternating between the face of the jamb and through the jamb into the framing at an angle only when backset conditions require it. Drive screws until the jamb is snug against the framing, but stop before crushing the jamb, then recheck plumb and square and tighten incrementally so the door still swings freely. For high-stress entryways, consider using trim head screws for concealment and one structural screw per hinge through the jamb and into a stud when extra strength is needed. 3 common mistakes are using screws that are too short, overdriving screws without rechecking alignment, and failing to drill pilot holes, which causes split wood. If screws are too short, the jamb will loosen under repeated use, so always use 2.5-inch screws or longer when framing depth requires it. Overdriving can pull the jamb out of plumb, so drive each screw just to snug, then check the door operation and final plumb before fully tightening. Skipping pilot holes invites splitting and weak hold. Match the pilot hole to the screw root and countersink slightly to preserve wood integrity. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for door jamb and other home repair jobs, and it also helps contractors find new work and clients. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share techniques, recommend fasteners, and troubleshoot installation challenges together.